Things are better than they have been in a while for Shiba Inu, and in fact, people have been raking in gains for a while now. What's more, the CEO of a $1 trillion hedge fund has hinted at how millionaires can be made. These are exciting times for Shiba Inu and its holders, so make sure to keep watching this video. Disclaimer: before we get to the main news, what would you say if someone told you you could make $1 million from Shiba Inu's sister tokens? Well, Bone has been pumping like crazy. The token recently recorded 35% weekly growth, going on to reclaim a critical mark, and analysts say that if this continues, Shib could hit $2 in no time at all. Interestingly, there are only about 83,000 holders of Bone, and about 73% of those are making money at the token's current price. This means that the market is not yet saturated and it shouldn't be all that difficult for you to get in. And getting in is something that you should really consider, especially because analysts predict that the price of the token would only continue to increase. This is because we now have an idea of when Shibarium will be launched. The dev team has mentioned that Shibarium should make an appearance in Toronto between the 15th and 16th of August this year. With Bone as the gas fee token for Shibarium, it's no wonder that it is experiencing a price pump during this period. Most likely, people are buying as many Bone tokens as they can afford right now so that they would have enough tokens to transact on Shibarium when it is launched. It might be in your best interest to get in on the fun too, because if you actually do the math, you can make up to $1 million from Shiba Inu's sister tokens. Granted, you would need to make a bigger investment in those tokens, both Bone and Leash, if you want your investment to be significant. But it also means that your chances of making it big are more realistic. Bone's all-time high is $15.50, and if you made an $85,000 investment in Bone right now, you would definitely hit $1 million if Bone hit its all-time high again. What's more, considering Bone's role in Shibarium, there are significant chances that Bone would hit its all-time high again. So now might be the best time to get in if you want to make it big. The other Shiba Inu token, Leash, is also doing quite well and making its holders some profit. Leash is up by 75% in the monthly charts and by close to 50% in the last 7 days. Most Leash holders are currently in profit, and making a $100,000 investment in the token right now would make you a millionaire if the token hits an all-time high of about $4,500. So again, you might want to consider getting into that market. However, remember that this is not financial advice. It remains your duty to do your own research before making any financial decision. Meanwhile, there are some updates on Shibarium. Daily Coin writes that, following last week's developments, Shib Token's marketing specialist Lucy announced an upcoming Twitter Spaces. Prominent members of the Shib army will discuss the world paper, Shiboshi's NFT, Shibacal's physical studio, and Bad Idea AI, their newest partner. Updates also say that the 4th Shiba Inu token, Treat, might be launched alongside Shibarium. As I said, exciting times ahead for Shibarium. Consider telling us what you think about this in the comments section below. Now to our main news. The CEO of BlackRock has just declared that crypto is the future. In an interview with Fox Business, CEO Larry Fink mentioned that Bitcoin is digital gold. Instead of investing in gold to protect against the devaluation of your currency, people can invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an international asset. That's crazy coming from the CEO of the largest financial institution in the world. What's more, he might have only mentioned Bitcoin, but what he said about Bitcoin is not restricted to the coin. He referred to Bitcoin as an international asset, and really, that applies to every single cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu. Cryptocurrency is not tied to any particular country, making it a great investment option for people who are looking to have international investments. However, more than just being an international investment option, the reason the CEO of BlackRock would be endorsing crypto is because he actually considers it a good idea. So 1, the crypto market would definitely have a positive reaction to this goodwill. But in addition to that, we already know that Bitcoin's goodwill usually rubs off on Shib. If people try to get in on Bitcoin but find it to be too expensive, Shib is usually considered a good enough alternative. It's probably no wonder that Shib is currently trending and bringing in huge gains for holders. We talked about how the other Shiba Inu tokens are making their holders richer, but Shib is actually doing the same. Shib is currently the number 2 token on CoinMarketCap's trending token list. And would you know it, Leash, another Shiba Inu token is occupying the top spot. So Shiba Inu is really hot right now. What's more, investors have been focusing on buying Shib heavily, and this came after Shytoshi's announcement about Shibarium Updates. He also clearly spelled out the roles of each of these Shiba Inu tokens, which must have been the encouragement that investors needed to buy more Shib tokens. Even whales have refused to be left out, getting in on the action with hundreds of thousands of dollars. According to Crypto Newsland, Sentiment's tweet highlighted the exciting developments in Shiba Inu's on-chain metrics. The data revealed 14 separate whale transfers of over $1 million as of July 6th, making the highest level seen since April 3rd this year. This surge indicates a renewed interest in Shiba Inu and potentially increased involvement of large-scale investors in the ecosystem. Moreover, the amount of unique Shiba Inu tokens in circulation reached a 3-week high, with 2.52 trillion coins circulated in one day. This suggests a growing confidence in the token's potential. In addition to that, burn rate has been on fire lately. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! The rate of Shib burns spiked by more than 3,800% in just 24 hours. This was thanks to a burn of about 508 billion tokens. It's not every day that we see Shib burns that run into billions, so this one is definitely something special. Just like with the price, analysts are saying that the increase in burns could be attributed to the recent Shibarium announcements. It looks like people are more encouraged to burn tokens now that they know when Shibarium will be launched. Understandably, both the increase in burns and the increase in purchases have had a significant impact on the price of Shib. If all of this is happening at the mere announcement of the launch, imagine what would happen when Shibarium actually gets launched. It could literally start raining profits for everyone who holds any amount of Shib. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. If you have been paying attention to this video, you must have concluded that we are finally getting Shibarium. Not the testnet this time around, but the actual Shibarium. Shytoshi announced that the Layer 2 blockchain would be making its first appearance at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Toronto, which will be held from the 15th to the 16th of August 2023. At this point, there is a lot riding on the success of Shibarium. In addition to all the roles that the platform is supposed to play, many Shib holders expect that Shibarium would somehow increase the value of Shib and its price. The platform does come fitted with some features that are supposed to help boost the price of Shib. But the expectations that people have for this platform means that there is no room for mediocrity, talk less of failure. One more thing, it looks like Shibarium is not the only upcoming Shiba Inu project. Shytoshi did not exactly go into details, but he mentioned on Instagram that there is much more coming, and this was after he gave the update on Shibarium. We do not yet have an idea of what these other upcoming things could be. They could be things that the dev team is already working on or a completely new idea. Whatever it is though, we at least have a date for the launch of Shibarium. I'm sure that people would be more than willing to wait for whatever is next. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.